Good morning, it's Thursday, February the 12th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. I've got a great show lined up for you this morning. I've got 3 great press releases, 2 from the Canadian side, 1 from the US side. No halts to report on at this time. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Anglo Swiss Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol ASW. The company's announced that they've discovered 4 new gold veins covering 700 meters of strike at the historic Kenville gold mine. Now, in total, there were 26 gold intercepts exceeding 3 grams per ton, with 16 values of between 3 to 7 grams per ton, and 9 of the values were between 10 to 73 grams per ton. In addition, they're reporting that hole number 41 contained gold quartz vein intercepts grading at 10 grams per ton, 23 grams per ton, and we've got a wider quartz vein grading 27 grams per ton, and finally 40 grams per ton. Now, these vein intercepts are important because they represent previously unknown southward extensions of the Kenville mines beyond the known mine working. So it looks like they found potentially a new zone. I've got a quote from Len Denard, the president and CEO of Anglo Swiss, who states, "One of the most exciting results of the program is the discovery of at least 4 new high-grade quartz gold veins lying on the west side of the property. This newly discovered high-grade gold vein system, which can be traced for at least 700 meters, represents a potential new gold and silver resource on the Kenville property." A little bit about the company. Anglo Swiss is a mineral exploration company focused on acquisition and development of quality precious base metals and gemstone properties that have undiscovered resource potential. They're last at 9 cents. 52-week high of 33, low of 6.5, and a market cap that currently stands at approximately $10 million. Now, moving on to Quri Resources. They are a new client of AGORACOM. That's my disclaimer. I'd like to welcome them on board and also mention that the company is planning their 16,000 meter drill program to prove up the resources, which will be starting very shortly. A little bit of background on Quri. Their NI 43-101 documented that their Wellington project has a probable reserve of 1.2 million ounces of gold. And in order to prove these resources up, the company is going to do the drill program, as I'd mentioned, 16,000 meter drill program. So once again, welcome to Quri. Good luck, and with gold trading the way it is today, this is probably one that you want to take a look at. The company is last, don't have a close on them. Their 52-week high is 5 cents, 52-week low is 3 cents, and their market cap currently stands at approximately $4 million. Now, moving over to the U.S. side, I've got a company called DOR BioPharma. They trade on the bulletin board under the symbol DORB. The company is announcing that they've signed a potential $30 million partnering agreement with Sigma Tau Pharmaceuticals for the development and commercialization in North America of one of their trademark products called Orbec. Orbec represents, according to the company, a first-of-its-kind oral, locally acting therapy tailored to treat the gastrointestinal manifestation of graft versus host disease. Now, as part of the agreement, Sigma Tau will make a $6 million upfront investment in DOR. And in addition, they'll make payments to DOR totaling $10 million, subject to the company achieving certain milestones along the way. And in exchange for commercialization rights, Sigma Tau will pay DOR a 35% royalty on net sales. A little bit about Sigma Tau. They're a U.S.-based, wholly owned subsidiary of the Sigma Tau Group and is dedicated solely to the global development and commercialization of medicines for patients with rare diseases. Company's last at 11 cents. 52-week high of 25, low of 4 cents, and the market cap of approximately $11 million. That's a wrap for today's show. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.